Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP LaserJet M1132 MFP, and now I'm gonna show you how to fix paper jam on this device. So firstly, you should remove all paper cards not jammed. As you can see, this paper card is jammed. So of course, if you have these situations or similar situation when the paper card you have here, so you can just pull it out and maybe it can help you to remove the paper jam from your device. But basically, very good idea to disable the printer. And okay, we have now